Come on, guys. This way, Jesse. Someone's tired. All right, so it's my day off today. I just had to go test and then I got out early, and mommy's at work, so it's kind of rain. It's drizzling a lot, kind of like sprinkles, but not too much rain. So we're here at the Santa Ana Zoo.
Santa Ana Zoo.
Yeah.
Santa Ana Zoo.
And we're just gonna have a good day here, just check out some of the animals. Last time we came here it was a little busy. Today's kind of empty in the parking lot.
Santa Ana Zoo. Santa Ana Zoo right there. Santa Ana Zoo.
Yep. So last time a lot of the animals were sleeping and we weren't able to see them. I think that happens in a lot of zoos. But today we're gonna see how many animals are not sleeping, if there are more that are not sleeping compared to those that are sleeping. All right, we're gonna have a good time today. By the way, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get more videos. All right, let's do this. All right, Jonas?
Yeah.
It's a little bit drizzly and rainy today.
Look, what's that one? Wait.
Entry gate. All right. I know. Oh, wow. Uh-huh. That's right. Yep. I'm not sure. Alright guys, let's see what's around here. Got a nice playground for the kids if they want to come here and play. I mean, I'm not sure if that's why you come to the zoo, but yeah, it's okay. You don't have to take a picture.
Daddy, let's go inside there.
Let's go in here. What's this? I don't think we came here last time. So this is just kind of like a little exhibition. I'm not sure if there were any live animals there. There are definitely a bunch of like little model animals, like replicas. This is the entrance to the zoo.
And when people go inside the zoo, either have to go in the red.
Let's go. Ooh. Whoa. So they said to keep the door closed or else the birds could fly away. Does that mean the birds are just flying around here? Oh, that's pretty cool. Jonas, look. Look at the bird. I'm not sure. Ooh, look, the peacocks, Jonas. Don't scare them. Say hi, peacock. This is the kind of rainforest kind of exhibition they have here. And whoa!
They're up in the tree.
That's a good one, huh? Well, these are definitely not sleeping today. Like I said last time we came here, there's a lot of sleepy animals. Oh, all of these are here and out in the open. It's just we have to see them.
Wait. What's that?
That's the exit.
I'm gonna go there.
Okay, look, Jonas, there's one right here. There's a little peacock thingy. Hey. All right, let's exit. Wow, we did not see the camels last time we came here. Whoa. They're really big, huh? So these were definitely sleeping last time. So happy we came early in the morning. Now they're up. Let's go this way, Jonas. We missed a few going through the forest or the Amazon jungle area. So the ocelots are sleeping this time. Interestingly, last time the ocelots were the ones that were awake. Maybe it's because it's kind of raining a little. That's why they're staying in. Here's a huge camels. That's right. That's how camels get down. Really slowly like that. That's pretty cool. Could barely even see it with the camera. We won't count this one as sleeping, but we definitely cannot see it because it's so dark. I've been wrong. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Where? Oh, they're moving. These are howler monkeys. And tamarins live here. Golden-headed lion tamarin. But they're sleeping. Okay, great. Look, there's parrots here.
I think they're up in a tree.
They are. Jesse, you see the parrots? No, Jonas, let's go. Well, that was random. Just kind of there in the open. All right, primates. So this zoo is known for the monkeys, I guess. Whoa. Look, spider monkeys, Jonas. Huh? Okay, let's see if we could find. Well, these guys are sleeping too. These are the brown-headed spider monkeys. Just kind of hiding out today. Look, the other one's just hanging there with one arm.
I just saw it.
They're just hanging out, huh? Literally.
I see that.
I know. That's another golden-headed lion tamarin.
And he's little.
I know.
Baby. Oh, look. I
Okay.
just
All these monkeys and primates.
Oh, I saw it.
Look, Jesse. You see them, Jonas? You see it, Jesse? Here's more lemurs, and they're sleeping. There's a lot of sleepy animals here. Nope, they're sleeping. They're sleeping, as usual. Nice. So red-handed tamarin. Jonas, look, a bald eagle. Look, Jonas, that's a bald eagle nest. That's a bald eagle nest. That's big, huh? Here's more tamarins. It's a tamarin. And another sleeping animal. All these animals just sleeping today. There's a lot of these abandoned exhibits that I've been seeing here. Hopefully they get some more funding to get more animals here. The thing about this zoo in Santa Ana, it's just like buildings all around. Like if you notice, like when I was checking out the camels, you can see like a huge building behind it, and then there's always like construction going on. But it's not construction in the zoo, it's construction around the zoo. So I don't know what these animals are. I know there's probably like an emu or something back there. But it's weird because they don't have it anywhere near the walkway so you could see it. They're kind of like really far off. I'm not sure what that's about. These animals. If you look a little bit closer, you can see that little emu I'm talking about, or ostrich, or Here's another exhibition that's empty. Like this would be so great if there was like a lion here or something, but maybe this was the old mountain lion area, but it's empty. There's this huge Ferris wheel here. I don't know if it's still closed. Last time it was closed. As you can see, a lot of things are closed here at the Santa Ana Zoo. I don't know why. So supposedly that big old empty area, they're prepping it for a giant river otter and primate trails experience. And I heard that gentleman basically talking to the lady about there's gonna be like a waterfall, there's gonna be like an underwater like viewing area, which sounds pretty cool. especially here in Santa Ana. I think that was everything. We're gonna see if the farm animal exhibit is open. Last time it was closed too.
Are you gonna go to the farm view?
We're gonna see if the farm area is open. Here's that playground I was talking about earlier. I mean, last time the farm area was closed due to COVID issues during the whole pandemic thing. I think it was closed, as well as with other zoos in Southern California. We were lucky enough to visit it in the middle where they kind of opened it a little bit, but it was totally a different climate here. So we made it here. I don't think it's on right now, Jonas. It's a huge Ferris wheel here. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but oh no, only on Fridays. Okay. So if you come here on Fridays from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and also Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., you can ride on all these cool rides. But we're lucky because we can see farm animals today. Let's go this way first. Let's see. What is this? Looks like some sort of sundial or something. Oh, human sundial. So step up to the center line. If it's between the second Sunday of March. Oh, well, we don't have any sunlight right now, so we can't even do this. Let's go. I'm just hanging out.
He just eating? Is he eating at it?
Yes.
Is he eating in the barn?
Ooh.
I can see that bird come out.
The violet tureko. Ooh, it's a hawk, Jonas. Look at the hawk.
I can see it.
Right here. Hey, hawk.
Hi, hi.
See the goats? Jonas. Don't stop it. Jonas. Be nice to the goat. Hi. Hey, goats. Oh, careful, Jonas. No, no, don't climb it, remember? These are domestic chickens. Here, take a picture with the turtle, Jonas. Take a picture with Jesse and the turtle. There you go. Ready, guys? If you can climb on it, go ahead. Say cheese, Jesse. Cheese, Jesse, Jesse over here. Jesse. Pet, Jonas, pet.
Turn yourself sideways, Jack.
What's wrong, Jonas?
I want to go in and pet the goat.
Oh, you can't go in. Look, look, look. Go pet him. Say hi.
Aw. Put your face down. Awesome.
Good job. Is it soft, Jonas? Yeah.
Not sure yet?
Oh, this is a really cool bench, huh?
And that's when all the animals live.
Yeah. Here, sit down on the bench. I'll take a picture. Say cheese. There you go. Hey, Jonas. There you go. And of course, the rabbits are also sleeping.
Baba was sleeping right in the bed.
Yeah, you can see him sleeping, huh?
I saw him sleeping under the table.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Come on. All right, and that's kind of it for the Santa Ana Zoo for today. We'll probably try to come back here when it's not raining and overcast. Hopefully all the animals will be awake and out instead of sleeping. But we did see a lot of cool animals. We saw more than we did last time. And next time we come again, hopefully see more. Come on, guys. This way, Jesse. Someone's tired. That was kind of a short little zoo tour. Santa Ana Zoo is kind of small. There's not much space in there. A lot of the animals, as you saw, they were sleeping, and yeah, maybe next time we get here we can come here on a better day, like a sunnier day. But thanks for joining us, thanks for following us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also like the video. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.
Like a badger in camel.
That's right.
They sleep like a badger in camel? No, they don't sleep like a badger in camel. No camel, badger in camel. No badger in camel, no badger in camel.
The monkeys weren't sleeping. Some of the monkeys were sleeping, yeah.
Badger monkey. I want to see badger monkey. Badger.
The camels were not sleeping.
And where's Rat? Rat's living in you too.
Yeah.
Where's the rat? No, rat.
Not in the Santa Ana Zoo.